Hi guys, Zachariah, can you climb up?
Can we put the taxi car up?
Here, no, you have to show it to him so he knows what he's heading for. Good try, Zachariah. Keep going. Hi, baby. Come on.
Yeah. Come here. Dada, Dada. Do you know, Zachariah?
There you go. Good boy.
Look at that. I have that relay's going on enough. We need more batteries.
No, it doesn't need more batteries. It's just telling us that it's filming. Zachariah's going all the way up the stairs. Come on, baby.
His dog up is that's Zachariah. Now it's like that, but now it's like Zachariah.
Can you turn the lights on there?
Zachariah, you got the car.
Taxi car, taxi car, taxi.
Maybe needs to move over. Maybe needs to move over.
Taxi, taxi.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Hi.
That's like doesn't come on. That like doesn't come on. That like doesn't come on.
Look at the taxi
Keep
car.
going, keep going.
Look at the car.
The taxi car.
Good job, baby.
What's this?
Mary, can you look at me? Mary, what's today?
My school day.
Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
3 years old.